Okay, I'm going to finish up now here by just playing with the sky and the haze controls. So actually going to try a few different skies here, and I don't know if you'll want to do that at the end, but I always like to do this just to make sure I'm getting the best possible lighting and the best possible sky to help make it as real as possible. That one looks pretty cool. Notice the haze between the mountain ranges. That's kind of interesting. Nice addition there. Nice shadows on the rock too. Of course, you can fiddle with the sun again too for lighting. Not much different. The sky looks a little better. It's kind of muted a little bit. But the shadows look great in the foreground. Let me try a few more skies here. And you may want to do the same. I don't know. Depends on how picky you are, I guess. So these are all the fantasy sci-fi, and they're pretty interesting. Let's see what that one looks like. Looks pretty green. Okay. And don't like that as much. Plus the lake gets covered up. It's covered in green. You can't even see it. So that one doesn't work. Let's try daytime skies here. That one looks really nice. Problem is it silhouettes everything, but it's pretty believable. You know, that you're taking it and the sun's going down. Not too bad. The only problem is the mountains are very hard to see in this one, so that lighting's all wrong. This one has a greener sky, which really isn't bad. The problem is it makes everything look kind of the same tone. So it's looking like the skies I'm trying aren't really working out. So far the best sky has been a blue sky. Let's try this one. This one's called Fall Weddings. That's kind of interesting too. I like those clouds. So you see there's more than one possibility than just using the default sky for the the overall final effect here. Okay, that's not bad. Clouds are pretty dramatic, but the lighting's pretty good. Again, render times increase when you use foliage. That's the Bryce default sky there. This is a midsummer's afternoon, or midsummer afternoon. Let's check that out. Whoa, a lot of haze. You can see the haze between the mountain ranges there. A little too much there. We can go down. We can go here and bring the haze down, however. Let's see what it looks like with the haze down further. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Again, I'm just clicking on the windows just below the sky and fog menu there and dragging left or right. This is the haze window. If you drag left, the haze actually comes down. It's looking a little better. It's good to have a little haze, I think, on the horizon at times, just because in a natural setting, sometimes you do see a hazy kind of horizon line in a distance. Again, the rendering times are painfully long when you start adding trees and whatnot. But overall, this looks pretty nice. I don't know if it looks better than the default sky. But shadows are looking pretty good on the rocks. The color of the trees look pretty good, pretty convincing. The rocks look good. Foliage in the foreground gives it some color. So I think this one's overall it's working pretty well. So you can finish your your landscape. You can finish by manipulating the sky, playing with the sky and fog controls, including the sun, and again also playing with the fog and haze controls underneath the sky and fog menu there. When you're finished, you're going to do save image as. Okay, and this is going to be 6- your last name. Make sure it's a JPEG and save that to be copied and pasted into the discussion board.